Hey guys, it's Russ. Welcome back to Lawn Journeys. I wanted to just do a quick public announcement today, especially for the newer DIY folks, on how you can maximize your lawn care dollars. You want to make sure you know how much square footage you need to apply. A lot of people under apply and don't get the results and aren't happy, or they over apply and you're flushing money down the drain. So at the end of this video, there's a link to a short and a long format video that I did last season, which takes you to instructions. That is a really simple online tool that you can use to measure your lawn. The benefit of knowing what your square footage is obviously so you don't over purchase or under purchase. If you over purchase, you're wasting money, you're spreading more material than you need to. If you're under purchasing because you've measured incorrectly, you're probably not going to get the results that you think the product should give you. So I recommend that you know what the square footage is. The one thing I wanted to point out today is treat you to my Dogwood. Let's take a good look at it. This dogwood blooms every year. It's absolutely beautiful. The flowers come out, they're a bright white, and they bloom for probably 3 weeks, which is longer than some of the traditional dogwoods that you may be familiar with. It's one of my favorite trees. I hope you guys enjoyed it today. I do have a couple videos in the pipe. I'm trying to do a couple, new things. I'm trying not to repeat everything that I've done before, but if there's something you'd like me to go over again or something I can help the newer DIY folks, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll do a video. I'll be running some biostims soon, as I've done before. Maybe I'll cover that. I am on my second application of PGF Complete. I don't know how the lawn's going to look today. It's a little overcast and it was cut a couple days ago. So the stripes are kind of maybe wearing off, but it's a good season so far. It's been a really nice spring. Things are looking good, and I hope you guys are well. See you guys soon on Lawn Journeys. Get out there, get it done. Be well.